Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to create a delicious egg sandwich right on your pan. It's a quick and satisfying meal perfect for any time of day. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread, 2 fresh eggs, and about 1 tablespoon of butter. Don't forget a slice of cheese and any seasonings you love, like salt and pepper. Make sure your non-stick pan and spatula are ready to go. Now let's get cooking. Place your non-stick pan over medium heat and melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is shimmering, carefully crack your 2 eggs directly into the pan. Try to keep the yolks intact for a perfect presentation. Let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the whites are fully set and the yolks reach your desired runniness. Don't forget to season them with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. With your eggs perfectly cooked, it's time to assemble our masterpiece. Lightly toast your 2 slices of bread. You can use a toaster or even the same pan for a minute or 2. Once toasted, place one of your delicious pan-fried eggs onto a slice of bread. Immediately add a slice of cheese on top of the warm egg, letting it melt slightly. Then, carefully place the second egg on top of the cheese, followed by the remaining slice of toasted bread. Almost there. Gently press down on your assembled sandwich to ensure all the layers are secure and everything holds together nicely. For a classic touch and easier eating, cut your sandwich in half diagonally. This also makes for a more appealing presentation. Serve your warm, homemade egg sandwich immediately to enjoy it at its best. Feel free to customize it with a dash of hot sauce or some fresh herbs for an extra burst of flavor. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.